Have you noticed in 2025 how AI generated cat and animal daily work videos are skyrocketing in views on both Instagram and YouTube across long form and short form contents? These videos are gaining millions of views, and the best part is you can create them in just 3 simple steps using a few free AI tools. In today's tutorial, I will walk you through the easiest step-by-step process to create these videos, but here is the catch. If you skip any part, the end result might not be perfect. So make sure you stay tuned till the very end and let's dive right in. I will be giving one master prompt. You need to just copy this prompt. Okay, I will tell you in a while what does this prompt say. So I'll just copy this prompt and paste it in ChatGPT in full. Now what does this prompt say? Generate 15 unique image prompts for an animated cooking sequence featuring a fluffy orange tabby cat. Now here you can change this cooking sequence to something else. And second is the characteristic. If you want an Indian cat, then you can describe that. If you want a Turkish cat, then you can give that. Okay. If you want, instead of a cat, if you want a dog, a pug, whatever you want, whatever animal you want, you can change that animal name. Remaining part will ideally be same, and just hit send message option. In a while, you will get 3 things. One is the image prompt, one is the animation prompt, and one is the sound effect prompt. So I will simply copy these and paste it in my document. Now since I have got all the prompts, now you will have to rectify. See, 3 things you'll have to mention, 2 things you'll have to specify. One is cat's detail and one is background detail. Now it can be cat detail, it can be dog's detail, it can be any animal or bird's detail what you are looking for, which you are using as a subject. Okay, so here in some of the prompts you can find that one of it will be missing, like the orange tabby cat is there but the background is missing. If you want a similar kind of background, then you will have to copy the background. Let's suppose I'm copying this background type, and you will have to just paste it at the end of the prompt. That's it. Okay, so make sure your background is similar and the cat's description is similar in order to maintain the consistent character. So same way I'll have to give the backgrounds in all the images. Before we move forward, friends, I have one small request to you. I have given myself a target of 2000 likes and 500 comments. So please do contribute your valuable opinion in the comment section and please smash the like button. Your support helps me to thrive every single day. With that, let's move forward to the next part. To create the images, I'm going to use 3 softwares. Number 1 is Leonardo AI. Go to Leonardo AI. They provide 150 credits for free, although I am using a paid account. Now go to image creation option here. And here you will have to select Phoenix model 1 or 0.9. I am selecting Phoenix 0.9 model. And here the style should be dynamic. That's all. Okay. Now ideally these are mobile videos or TikTok, Instagram reels. So you'll have to select from here, you'll have to select 9:16 and then cross it from top right hand side corner. Now remaining other settings will remain same if you are using a free account. If you are using a paid account like me, then you can go for ultra generation mode or quality mode, either of it. I am choosing quality mode. Remaining other things will remain same. For you, it will be only 4 images at a go. But since I am using a paid account, I have a choice. So I am creating 2 images at a go. Remaining other things will remain same. Now the time is to copy all the prompts one by one. So we will be taking the image prompts. We asked for 3 variations: image prompt, animation prompt, and sound effect. Take the first image prompt, give it here and generate. So this is going to be my first image. Okay. So if you like it, you can go ahead and download it from here. Now let us go to the second software, which is Designer from Bing. So I'll go to designer.com. This will provide you 15 each day credit for free. So here I will be taking the aspect ratio of portrait, and then in the description I'll have to paste the second prompt. But ideally you should be sticking to one particular software. Now here also enhance a prompt option is there, but I'm not going to use it. I'm straight away going to use the exact same prompt which we have got from ChatGPT directly. Okay, so this is the image quality. I feel that these sort of images, for these sort of images, Microsoft Designer works better. So if you like this software, then stick to the Designer only. Now let me go to the third software which I was talking about, which is PicLumen AI. That also provides a very satisfactory image. Go to PicLumen AI. PicLumen provides you 10 credits per day. Now go to create option. Here also you have an option to upload a reference image, but I'm not going to do that because we are going to create from the scratch. Now here you can go to this aspect ratio option. You check 9:16 aspect ratio, and here you don't have much of things to do. You can only thing is that you can fix this seed which we are going to use from the next image and hit generate. So this is, again, I feel this is quite nice as far as the gesture posture is concerned. So I will just download it. Okay, now the first thing which you should be doing is copy the seed number. Okay, and keep it here, because if you give the seed number, then the image will be looking like this. Okay, now suppose I want to create the second image. So what I need to do is I need to copy the image prompt, whatever we have generated from ChatGPT, and from here we will be copying the seed number and come here and go to fixed seed number, and you'll have to give the seed number. Remaining other things will remain same and hit generate. Great, isn't it? So see, the cat looks exactly same, the background looks exactly same, only the subject matter has changed. So if you like it, you go ahead and download. So out of these three options, whichever software gives you the best result, you go ahead with that software itself. Okay, let me see in Microsoft Designer with one more prompt so that we can compare. Now Control A, Control V, remaining other things will remain same, hit generate. Beautiful images they've generated. So I will go ahead and download this. As I told you, after every scene there is an animation option. So one particular step is very important here, to number the scenes. Images are ready. Now let us move forward to create the videos. For video creation, again I'll give three options. One is Kling AI. Okay, I professionally use Kling AI. Go to Kling AI, go to AI videos option, but if you're using free account, it will take real long time. Now go to frames. Okay, go to drop the image and drop all the images. So I'm going to take the second image and I'm going to give the second prompt, animation prompt, as it is. Remaining other things will remain same. You can, if you're using free account, you will be using standard mode. I'm using professional mode. And if you want 10 seconds video, you may go for that. I'll stick to 5 seconds and hit generate. Okay, while this is getting generated, as you can see, it is showing 4 minutes. It might take a little longer for you. But till then, let us explore the second software. Second software is about Hallyu AI. Go to create option, select the second image, means the third image. I'll select this image. This is my fifth image. I'm going to give fifth image prompt, and from here I'll be selecting this live option, I2V01 live, and hit generate. You can give maximum 3 jobs in queue if you're using free account. If you're using paid account, then you can give 5 jobs in queue. But this take a little longer time. So patience is the key here. So you just have to wait for a while. This is also approximately going to take 4 minutes time. So Kling and Hallyu AI both give satisfactory result. Now third option is Runway ML. So open Runway ML, and here you'll have to search for generative session. Okay, go to generative session, start a new session, drag and drop the image. So let me take the fourth image, which is this one. Again, I'll give the prompt of the fourth prompt, animation prompt. So I'll just copy, paste here. Although they have given frame options, but these sort of videos never goes on frame. Okay, remaining other things will remain same. Here again you can choose. Let me select 5 seconds and hit generate. As far as the time is concerned, Runway ML takes minimum time and Hallyu AI takes maximum time. As far as perfection is concerned, Kling AI is the best one. So as you can see, this is the output from Runway ML. If you want, you can download it from here. So this is how you will have to create all the videos scene by scene. Now in the fourth step, we will be generating the sound effects and will be finally editing the videos. For these, I'm going to use Filmora 14. You may use CapCut as well. Now here first I'll go to project option and import all the videos. Okay, now scene wise you'll have to bring all the all the videos. So I'm just showing you with the help of 3 clips, but the same process will be followed for the entire video. Okay, now I know the scenes. So the tomato one is scene number 2. Here I have the sound effect, so I can create the sound effect by copying the sound effect here and go to Filmora, go to audio section. Either you may seek for sound effect. Let's suppose I want water, right? Water sound effect. So this is water splash. So I will take this. You can take this water splash effect. If you don't like one particular audio, then you can go to this AI sound effects option and here you can paste. Let me create. I want to get the sound effect for this. So what I'll do, I have this watermark, so I will simply double click and just crop it like this. And then if you don't get a particular sound, let's suppose I don't get this sound, so I will have to create the sound effect for this. So for the 5th one, so I will just copy this sound effect, crashing sound, and I will go to this option, AI sound effect option, and generate. It will take 30 credits. If you are using Filmora 14, you get 4000 credits for free. As you can see, I have got 3 variations of crash. These will remain in AI sound effect option. Like you can see, I have generated previous sound effects also. You can use them repeatedly. So once you create one sound effect, that can be multiple times used. So I will simply bring it here and export the final video. And this, definitely choose the higher resolution, and from here you'll have to choose 1080 to 1920. Okay, 1080 into 1920 you'll have to choose from here. You can go to custom. Here it has to be 1080. This has to be 1920. If you don't choose it at the beginning, you can choose in this way and export it. And this is the final result. And if you want to know different models, different AI tools, please do visit www.wagpaymedia.in, where we have created a comprehensive course for you all, which is getting an early bird offer as well at this moment. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider to give me a like. One small request, please do share my content with your friends and family so that I can thrive in every single day to create new videos like this for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.